Hi, I'm Tyson Franklin and welcome to this week's video. Today, I want to talk about limiting beliefs. And the reason I want to talk about this is over the weekend, I posted something in a few different Facebook groups about an event that Jonathan Small from the UK and I are going to be doing in July, 21st, 22nd of July. We're doing a program together called Work Smarter, Not Harder. And when I posted it, and if you want to know more information about this 2-day workshop that Jonathan and I are doing, go to my website, tysonfranklin.com, click on events, all the information's there. There's only 30 seats, so don't sit on the fence too long. Anyway, Jonathan reposted what I posted on Facebook into some other groups that he was part of. And in there, he made a comment. He said, any pods fancy a tax-deductible trip to Australia to learn from two pods who have achieved 6- and 7-figure incomes? This is an opportunity to change your life. Now, I thought it was a good comment. And what he's basically saying, hey, if you're in the UK, just a great chance to come to Australia, make it tax deductible, have 2 days with Jonathan and I, have a bit of fun, learn something about your business. Perfect time of the year to actually visit Australia. And if you live in Australia already and you're in the southern states, you know how cold it gets in July. So perfect time for you to come and visit sunny Queensland. So if you're thinking about it, definitely do it. What was interesting is Jonathan made this post and then another podiatrist commented. Now, I don't want to mention the podiatrist and I don't want to even bag on the podiatrist, but what I'm disappointed with is this podiatrist obviously has limiting beliefs around money and how money is made, because what she's written here was podiatry in Australia is a private practice. The fees are predominantly covered by private health insurance, which is not really the case. 50% of our patients have private health insurance and only a small proportion is actually covered. There are also government schemes which cover the costs of some Indigenous appointments, diabetic appointments, DVA appointments. Sort of true, but only partially. Once again, these schemes do not exist in the UK. Learning how to make money in Australia will not help you learn how to make money in the UK. Massive limiting belief. Because what is funny, the Work Smarter, Not Harder program was developed by Jonathan Small in the UK. That's the part that's hilarious. He actually developed it, and then him and I said, hey, we should run this in Australia. I'll modify a few things so it's in Australian language, not just UK language, but predominantly the program is the program. So this person has looked at that, and because it's being held in Australia, thinks, oh no, what you do in Australia doesn't work in the UK. And this is the part that I want people to understand. If you read something, you see something, you go to an event, you hear someone talk, and if your first reaction is, that won't work for me, or that will not work in my area, my country, my town, that is a limiting belief. What you should be saying to yourself is, well, that's really interesting. How can I make that work in my area, my town, and my country? Because what we're going to cover, it wouldn't matter whether you're in New Zealand, the UK, South Africa, America. You come along to the 2 days, what you'll learn in that 2 days, you'll be able to go back to your practice and you'll apply it. Does not matter what country you're in. The other part that disappoints me about the comment is this person obviously has a really strong negative belief around money and making money. Would have been great if they had just kept that to themselves and just said, I have a limiting belief, so therefore I'm just going to keep that to myself. But no, they don't. They like to share it with other people. And what they're trying to do is encourage other people to try and have the same limiting beliefs and negative thinking around money and around business. And I think that is wrong. Now, you don't have to agree with me. You might be watching this video and go, Tyson, you're a complete tool. And I'm going to comment that you're a complete tool. That's fine. You can do that. But when you do comment on it, and if you do say something like that, just remember, everybody is looking at you. And a lot of us are starting to pick up who the people are that have negative beliefs, who are a little bit negative when it comes to the podiatry profession. To me, if somebody is not saying something uplifting about podiatry and about the profession, you've got to stay away from them as often as you can. Like I said, I didn't want to bag on this particular podiatrist, but I just feel that I don't like people who have limiting beliefs and negative beliefs trying to share them with other people on public forums. Just keep those comments to yourself. Getting back to what Jonathan and I are doing though, if you're free on the 21st, 22nd of July, 2023, please come to Brisbane. All the details on my website. Just go to tysonfranklin.com, click on events, follow all the links, and you'll get all the information. And believe me, when I tell you what you learn over this 2 days, you'll be able to apply in any business in any part of the world. Okay, I look forward to talking to you again next week. Bye.